In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete attachments in iCloud Mail. If you're using iCloud Mail in a web browser, the key is that you can only remove files from an email draft and you have to do it before you send the message. You cannot remove attachments from emails that were already sent, and you can't edit received emails to strip out their files. One more note up front. If a file was added using MailDrop, it can't be removed after sending. MailDrop links expire automatically after about 30 days. Here's how to do it the right way in a browser. Head to iCloud.com and open Mail. Start a new message with Compose or open a saved draft you're still working on. Look just below your message body to find the attachment area. On a computer, move your mouse over the attachment thumbnail or file name to reveal the controls, then choose Remove, the small X icon. On a phone or tablet in the browser, tap Edit next to Attachments, then select Remove. As soon as you do this, the attachment disappears from the draft. That visual change is your confirmation that the file won't be included when you send the email. If you change your mind, you can always reattach the file before sending. A couple of important clarifications. You must remove the attachment before you click Send. Once the message has been sent, iCloud Mail does not allow any changes to that message, including removing files that were attached. Similarly, when you open an email you've received, you can view or download its attachments, but you cannot modify that received message to delete them. That behavior applies across iCloud Mail on the web. Here's why this matters. Removing a large file from your draft helps keep your outgoing emails lightweight, so they send faster and stay within size limits. It also helps you avoid sharing something you didn't mean to include. When you remove an attachment from a draft, you're only removing it from that one message. It doesn't affect the original file on your device or in any other storage location. And a quick reminder about MailDrop. Attachments sent via MailDrop are hosted temporarily. After roughly 30 days, those links expire on their own, which is expected and requires no action from you. That's it. Open iCloud Mail in your browser, compose or open a draft, find the attachment area, remove the file using the X or the Edit option, and make sure you do it before sending. Your email will go out cleanly without the attachment exactly as intended.